What's up? Today, you and I will be taking a deep dive into the basics of meditation. We'll be going from not knowing anything about meditation all the way to being able to start your own practice at home. First off, I want to let you know that this won't be a guided meditation. More like taking a little bit of the mystery out of it so that you can go do this by yourself. We are going to be doing a few exercises together, so please follow along with me. And then afterward, you can do a full meditation by yourself. And yes, you heard that right. My goal is to get you to be able to do this by yourself, no guidance needed. Let's begin by saying that there are dozens of different types of meditation and literally thousands of different types of practices. I'm going to be showing you only one of those types of practices, one of my favorite, because I think it's the best for beginners. This is called mindfulness meditation, specifically mindfulness of the body and specifically mindfulness of the breath. For this mindfulness of the breath meditation, the instructions are very simple. Keep your attention on the breath. And then, that's it. If you've tried meditation, you've probably already heard these instructions before. And you'll know that although it sounds simple, it's, well, not. Okay, let's go for a deep dive. I'm going to break it down into steps. Step 1, start with why, as in, why meditate? Having a why is the first step to any meditation. Set an intention that's personal for you, as in, why are you choosing stillness today? The benefits of meditation have been well studied, and I'm going to leave them out of this video. I'm sure you have some reasons. I mean, why click on a video entitled, How to Meditate? But I'm also going to give you two of my own whys. Benefits that are not commonly heard. First reason is to develop a personal relationship with your inner world. I'm making a distinction here between the inner world and the outer world. The outer world is outside, as in everything that happens outside your body. And the inner world is everything that happens inside your body. Note that inside your body includes your mind. There's a certain set of experiences in life that only originate from your inner world. By meditating, you get to develop a good relationship with these set of experiences. You know, get to know them. I mean, we know it's important to eat right, get plenty of sleep, get your heart rate up, and do your squats and chin-ups. When we do all of those things and ignore our thoughts, our impulses, our states of mind, and our emotions, then we're only getting part of the picture here. Reason number 2, create a more loving, caring world. When you sit quietly and pay attention to all of experience, you're choosing intentionally to be with your own life, no matter what that's like. And the world needs that, especially now. Okay, the second step for mindfulness of breath is about your environment. If you've watched my video on what you need to meditate, you'll know that you can meditate anytime, anywhere, any place. But if you're asking, I recommend seated, in a chair, in the morning, in a quiet place, wearing comfortable clothing, with your eyes closed, and setting a timer. The vital thing here is to sit or stand, walk, etc. in a way that's both relaxed and alert at the same time. And to go into it with a curious, playful mindset. So far we've set a personal intention. We're in a relaxed yet alert position with a curious mind. Now, on to step 3, which is the meditation itself. If you recall the instructions at the beginning of the video, rest your attention on the breath. We're going to go word by word on this, starting with the breath. The breath is chosen because the breath is always happening. whether we wanted to or not, or whether we controlled it or not. But it doesn't have to be the breath. I mean, breathing isn't always comfortable, like when you have allergies. So if it's comfortable for you, you can use it. If not, then you can use another part of your body, like your foot or your forehead. Whatever it is, it's helpful when going into the meditation to pick a specific sensation of the breath or the body that you're going to use. For instance, it could be the feeling of air passing over your upper lip as it comes in and out of your nostrils. It could be the expanding and contracting of your chest. It could be the feeling of your skin rubbing against your clothing as you breathe. We're going to use that sensation we chose as the anchor point. The breath and the body are always in the present moment. So when we notice we drifted off, we can use that sensation to snap us back. So what exactly does it mean to feel the breath? What does the breath feel like? Man, English is so inadequate when it comes to connecting a phrase like feel the breath to an actual sensation. The best advice I have is just keep at it. It takes practice. So let's do some practice now. Let's do a little exercise. Take your hand, hold it out in front of you, and shake it. Now, just look at it and try to feel it. Now close your eyes. Can you still feel it? What's it feel like? Is it hot? Is it cold? Can you feel the energy in your hand? Now, focus on just your index finger. And now just your pinky finger. Now your whole hand again. And now the whole arm, including your hand. Okay, you can open your eyes. Right there, you just felt your hand. So when I say feel the breath, it's like that, but with your breath. Also, hopefully you notice that you can shift your attention around and focus on different things in the body. And that brings us to the attention part. Any meditation can be put on a scale of focused versus open awareness. Focused is when you're super zoomed in on something, like if you focus on just air brushing your upper lip while breathing. Open is just the opposite, when you're zoomed all the way out and you're aware of everything happening. In the hand exercise we just did, we were more zoomed in when we were just concentrating on the index finger, and more zoomed out when we were focusing on the whole arm. During any meditation, it's pretty normal to start zoomed in and then your focus will gradually relax as the meditation goes along. For mindfulness of breath, we're going to aim for something in the middle, but know that how focused or open you are will almost definitely change during the course of the meditation. Oh, and when you're paying attention to the breath, there's no need to try to change it or control it in any way, at least not intentionally. Often, the breath will gradually slow during the course of a meditation. It's a natural process. It happens by itself because you're paying attention to it. Which brings us to the act of resting our attention. So what are we really trying to do here? Close my eyes. Feel my chest rising and falling. And pretty soon I start to think, that peanut butter sandwich I had earlier, that was good. I want another one of those. Oh wait, I'm meditating. That little act of noticing that our attention has wandered off somewhere, that's what's building our mindfulness and focus muscles. But we're not just gonna force our attention back onto the breath. No, it's more like looking at that thought or feeling or sensation or whatever, and we're gonna say to it, I see you, you're cool, but you know what, maybe later. I'm doing something right now. Remember, we're only using the breath as an anchor, resting the attention lightly there. It's kind of like we see our breath in front of us, but our peripheral vision is still wide open. We see all the things that are coming in, like there's an itch in my foot, or the smell of the wood stove behind me, or the sounds of my little baby girl playing. And I really want to stress that we're not trying to empty our minds. We're seeing everything. And see what I'm doing here? I'm being playful with it. I'm seeing everything that I come across. I'm looking at it with kindness. So you might ask, Ray, why kindness? Isn't that sort of against what we're trying to do here? If we're just trying to sit there and look at everything that happens, isn't trying to love and be kind to everything intentionally creating some sort of sensation that wasn't already there before? Isn't it, Ray? Isn't it? Well, not really. See, when you give something your attention or someone, and I mean really give them your undivided attention, then that is being kind. That is giving love. But don't take my word for it. See for yourself. The goal really is just to be with your own experience. And that experience, of course, is sitting down, closing your eyes, and following the breath. Doesn't matter if you were able to follow all your breaths or none of them at all. As long as you sat down and you tried to see what it was like, then you're doing it right. There's no way to do it wrong. It's all just one big experiment. Renee Nason, this one's for you. I hope everybody out there is doing okay in this pandemic. Sending all my love out to you guys. Thanks for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and happy meditating.